Meron tayong kanin na bahaw, 4 cups. 6 na cloves ng garlic na minced. Meron din tayong pampaganda sa ating green onions, chopped. At isang itlog na pwede nating ilagay kasama ng ating sinangag. At ang seasoning natin. At syempre, hindi mawawala ang ating mantika. Hindi natin lagyan ng makulay na thin soy sauce. So, umpisahan na natin. Umpisahan natin ang ating itlog na over easy ang gusto nila. So, ang iba, syempre, ang gusto nila scrambled egg. But pwede rin sa inyong choice. Ngayon, uunahin natin ang ating sinangag. Mas mabuting mauna ang sinangag natin. Lagyan natin ng kaunting mantika para tayo makapag ng bawang. Bawang is very good for our sinangag. We'll just put everything to make it really good. Oh, it smells good. You are here, you can smell the garlic. Saying garlic. Make it brown, but not burnt. So it's just so. Put a little bit more of oil if you want. So another, maybe another tablespoon. Oh, it smells so good. And just mix your egg. Make it crumble. And let's go put our rice. So good. Then season it. I have prepared salt and pepper and a little of garlic powder that you can put it on your sinangag while you're cooking it. And just continue. And put your soy sauce. Maybe a tablespoon soy sauce. That's a good combination for sinangag. It's up to you what kind of soy sauce you want to include and cook with your sinangag, with your fried rice. This will add flavor. And let it cook for maybe 2 or 3 minutes. Lower your temperature so it will not be burning. I can smell it so good. Now I'm hungry. And now we can taste it and see what is missing. And see how it is. Okay. maybe a little salt and our mixture, and it's ready to go. And we can put our green onions. Oh, that smells so good too. But if you don't like this green onions on top or mixed with your sinangag, you don't have to worry about it. Just don't use it. Some people, they like it with something on top, more appetizing, and you know, and I like it too. So it's your choice. Okay, so we're ready. Okay, ready na kayo sa susunod, ha? Langgunisa naman ang ating gagawin. Okay.